make a start with Ielts speaking. Do you work or study?
Uh, uh, I'm a student studying political science
Okay.
at a prestigious institution of government
Good. Why
college
are you
university.
studying political science?
Sir, I have a lot of interest in politics and government affairs. It deals primarily with the functions of the government and how a state runs. So it drives me a good motivation to study political science.
Okay. Would you like to become a politician in the future?
Absolutely not, sir. I do not have any interest in becoming a politician. Rather, I would like to be a political scientist and to do into educational research in political
Okay.
science.
What other subjects are related to political science?
History and international relations are two main component of political science, and I have a good interest in both of them.
All right. We now move on to Ielts speaking part 2.
Right.
Your topic is describe a website which helps you to do something. So please, you can start.
Thank you very much. Sir, in my opinion, Google is the one website which helped me a great deal in shaping my ideas when it comes to study. And to be very honest, it's the largest resource of diversified knowledge in present day and age. And I got familiarity with Google through my research professor when I was attending her class. She told me to go through Google and to conduct your research.
Okay, carry on. You need to
Uh,
speak a little more.
uh, uh, Google helped me in
Numerous.
numerous ways in conducting my research on climate change, and I also use Google on daily basis to shape my ideas and imagination for my research.
Okay, that's good. So overall, it's very good. You just need to work on a couple of things. First of all, it's fluency.
Right.
Although you speak well, you use very good vocabulary, your sentence structure is very good,
Thank
but
you.
you need to work on fluency.
Right, sir.
Practice these topics time and again. Now,
Right.
if you speak on the same cue card second time, third time, you will speak blindly without looking at the topic and all that. So
Right.
practice the topics, otherwise your language is good. And second thing, for each topic, you need to come up with something. Like now, if they give you a topic, describe a website, I will talk about it. If the topic is describe a person, I will talk about him or her. So like this, you need to prepare yourself.
It was my
right?
first time, so
No problem.
thank
You'll
you.
be fine. Thank you so much.